everyone, it's Pixlr here, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, do you guys like this new animated thingamabobber? I didn't have time to do a real intro, so this is going to be my intro for today. Today we are going to be making some really cute wallpapers for any sort of computer, and these are all on a free website. I know I'm not sponsored or anything like that, sadness, but this is just a cool website that I found, and I'm going to show you guys how to make some cute wallpapers for any computer or phone even on it. Before we get on into it, make sure that you hit the subscribe button to join the hashtag #EpicAlFam, and also turn on all notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, which is currently every Wednesday. Also give this video a big thumbs up for DIY and life hack videos on channel 2. And also make sure that you check out my channel and leave a comment in the description. Thanks guys, and let's get on into the video. Let's go! Okay, so the first wallpaper that we're going to make is one with a quote from the play Wicked, and I am going to first search up a simple wallpaper sitting on Google, and I'm just going to find an image that I liked. You can also make any variation of this with any sort of fitted size of the wallpaper if you want to make it for your phone or a giant Mac. So what I am going to go with is just this little picture of just an outline of a city. As you can see, I already have it on my desktop as my screensaver. As my desktop picture, I believe. So I'm just going to show you guys how to make this. Then go to www.pixlr.com. It's totally free, and I'm not sponsored at all. I've just been using this for a long time, and it's really fun to make stuff out of it. And then you're also going to click on Pixlr Editor, or no, Pixlr Express, and then you're going to click on Browse, I believe, and then you're going to select the image from your desktop. And what I'm going to do is it's just going to show right here. I'm going to go into text, and I'm going to do retro text, and now you can pick your cool fonts. I'm going to start off with one called East Market, and I'm going to type in the first part of this song, which is One Short Day. If you guys know what I'm talking about from Wicked, make sure that you leave that in the comments down below. I want to see how many of you guys know what I'm talking about. So now I'm just going to pick a color, and I'm going to go with a green theme because it is the Emerald City. And that's pretty much what I'm going to do with each line of the song. Just like that. I was just checking what quote comes next, and then make sure that you click apply, and then you can go to the next quote. And that's what it should look like at the end, and I'm going to leave you guys right here with some awesome music.
I found peace in your vibes, can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been quiet for too long. I found peace in your vibes, can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been silent for too long.
Boom, you are finished. Click apply for the final time, and then you can press Command-Shift-4 if you're on a Mac, but I'm not sure what it is on a Windows. Basically, you're just going to make a screenshot, or you're going to click save, and then you're just going to set that as your desktop screensaver, right? Desktop wallpaper, it's your wallpaper. And let's move on to the next one. The next wallpaper that we are going to do is going to be with a cute little inspirational quote, and I chose this one. When it rains, look for rainbows, and when it's dark, look for stars. I chose this one for my background for my wallpaper, and you can pretty much choose any one you want. Then you're going to just drag it onto your desktop and do the same thing as before by going to Pixlr, and then you're going to click Browse, then you're going to click your image from your desktop, and then click Open. And here we go. Now I'm going to refer back to my quote, and then I'm going to just type this out like I did my other one. Sorry guys, I cannot speak today. So I'm just going to type that out with more retro fonts, and then I'm also going to switch and do other fonts too. You can also add stickers or any other things like that, or just more images even onto it. And I'm going to do the same thing as before and just type up my quote on here. And that one is also done too, and it looks so cute. Now, just take a screenshot of it and set it as your wallpaper. I also made a bunch more of these wallpapers, and this is a fun one that I did too. First, I started off with marble wallpaper, and then I put a funny thing that I made up. It's like, I feel like a Nutella in a world of peanut butter, because Nutella and peanut butter are some of my favorite things. Here is my classic Happy Holidays wallpaper, and these are just some more things that you guys can make. This one's also really cute too. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe down below to join the hashtag #EpicOwlFam. And I'll see you guys next Wednesday for another awesome video. See you guys. Bye!